Hi, in this first video we're going to look at how to get LYNX Whiteboard and how to create your account. So if you're looking to install LYNX on an Android or an Apple tablet, all you need to do is go to your App Store, search for LYNX Whiteboard, and then you can download and install it onto your tablet or even a phone. If you're looking to install LYNX onto a MacBook or a laptop or a PC, then it's best to go to our website, lynxcloud.app. Let's go there now. On the website, you'll see there's a download section. And when you click on it, you can scroll down and you will see the available downloads. So for Windows, you can download and install LYNX Whiteboard and the screen recorder. Same for Mac. And for Linux, it's just the app itself. Now, once you've downloaded and installed the app, you might need a technician's permission to help you do that. But then when you open up the app, as I've done here, the first thing that you will see is the dashboard. And you can see that it's inviting me to sign in. This will take me straight back to the website. So I can do that sign-in process whether I've been directed by the app or if I just want to go to the website and do it automatically. So now I need to create an account. So to register for an account, I can sign up here. And all I need to do is put in an email address and a password, confirm my password, and then I can create my account down there. However, I could also link up a Google account or a Microsoft account or any of these other single sign-on methods to link up an account and create my LYNX account that way. So in another video, you'll see me attempt to do so with a Gmail.